Welcome back, my YouTube friends and family. This is Lindsay, and I am back with more daily work from home job leads for you. We have a job of posting like deals, discounts on Facebook, on social media. We have a job that is listening to those recorded phone calls, grading, scoring, monitoring, giving feedback on those calls, doing call quality. Of course, we have a Coca-Cola hiring someone to do like order support, and I threw a customer service job in there. So hopefully we have a mixed bag, a little bit of something for everyone. As always, links, timestamps, all additional information can always be found in the YouTube description box below this video. And of course, as always, just signal boosting this message in all of my videos this week. I am out on vacation next week, August 11th through the 15th. I will not be posting any job leads during that time. Now, first up, we have the company, the Krazy Coupon Lady. They do have a little bit lower employee satisfaction rating. They have 72 total reviews from past and current employees. Their rating comes in at 2.8 out of 5 stars, so kind of right in the middle. Some people love them, some people hate them. But they are hiring someone to do part-time remote work from home work, posting on their Facebook page. So they're looking for a social media specialist specifically for Facebook. Now, the Krazy Coupon Lady is just that, is a Facebook page that's ran about sales, deals, discounts, and coupon codes where you can do online shopping and, of course, save some money. Now, I do want to note they do have a large selection of states that they hire in, but they don't hire in every state. But they are just looking for someone who loves and breathes smart shopping and loves social media to help work and run their Facebook page. You'll be posting high volume deal or sales content on their Facebook page every 15 to 30 minutes during your assigned shift, making sure that it's accurate and timely. You're maintaining a consistent and compelling Facebook presence. So you're going to be posting not only Facebook posts, but also like Instagram Reels and Facebook Stories. So you're going to have to write captions for these deals that are going to drive click shares and conversions, because the point of this Facebook page is basically affiliate marketing. So this Krazy Coupon Lady, she seeks out deals, coupon codes, and things that help you save money buying the products that you need. But of course, when you click through and use her affiliate link, she gets a kickback or a commission from that sale. So you're making sure that you're monitoring the post performance once it is posted, making real-time optimizations and changes based on the engagement and the traffic. Now, no college degree is needed for this. They are looking for somebody who has 1 year experience in social media creation, digital marketing, or community engagement, somebody who has strong writing skills, and you have a knowledge for Facebook analytics, performance tracking. Other than that, they're just really looking for somebody who is a deal hunter at heart. You love finding the best discounts, you love saving money, and you also love sharing them with other people. And you also are a social media enthusiast. You have experience managing like Facebook pages. You can navigate around all the social media stuff. Now, pay is listed kind of all the way down at the bottom. It's anywhere from $16 an hour up to $20 an hour. Now, keeping it moving, next up we have Concora Credit hiring. They have 207 reviews from past and current employees, an overall employee satisfaction rating of 3.4 out of 5 stars. And of course, they are looking for a call quality specialist. This means monitoring those recorded phone calls, giving that feedback. They are looking for somebody to work Monday through Friday, 8 a.m. to 5 p.m. And I do want to quickly note they're based out of, it looks like, Akron, Ohio. Now, they do state that this position is a fully remote work from home, but there may be times, like for IT related support, that they ask team members to come on site. I don't work for any of these companies. I'm simply sharing what I find online. They do not state that they have any state restrictions on which they hire in. So I'm assuming they're hiring throughout the United States, but just be aware that occasional travel may be needed if you need to like replace a computer or something like that. But again, they're looking for somebody to basically monitor and evaluate or score their customer service agent interactions that happen with the Concordia Credit's expectations and regulations. So you're basically going to be giving the policies and score sheets of how these customer service interactions should go. And you are kind of listening to those recorded phone calls, grading those interactions against those score sheets, and providing coaching and feedback to all of those customer service agents. You're also partnering outside with other departments for ongoing collaboration for the expectations and scoring. And of course, with that, you're monitoring these while you're scoring it to identify any trends that may be happening. If you've got multiple customer service agents that are failing at the same point or doing the same things, you might have to assist to kind of escalate that trend up to talk about it and see if policies or procedures need to be updated or changed. So you are identifying and flagging any policies and procedures that need updates or corrections made to them. Now, best thing about this job, it only requires a high school diploma or a GED, no college degree, somebody who can work within the Windows computer operating system. So you can work different software systems. You can work in a fast-paced environment. You can be proficient with multitasking using multiple computer systems. And of course, you have a high level of patience and empathy, professionalism. You can keep confidential information confidential. Sadly, though, this job did not list the pay that will need to be discussed with them at the time of the interview. Now, of course, we have the Coca-Cola company hiring. They probably need no introduction. They have a high employee satisfaction rating, especially with the amount of reviews that they have. They have 11,000 reviews from past and current people that used to work for them, and their satisfaction score of those people come in at a 4.1 out of 5 stars. So Coca-Cola looks like a great place to work. And of course, they are hiring an advisor for their Coca-Cola parts order process. Now, it does say this is a remote work from home. It says this is a remote position, but you have to be willing to work any shift that they give you between 8 a.m. and 7:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time, Monday through Friday. So, of course, if you're outside of the time zone, you're going to have to convert your hours to see if that works for you. But this role is basically providing that customer support to customers and business partners by processing and managing those Coca-Cola orders, returns, and inquiries. So Coca-Cola sells all kinds of different products. They stock like 20-ounce bottles and different things to big convenience stores, department stores like Walmart, things like that, grocery stores. But then you also have restaurants as customers to Coca-Cola. They have those drink machines where they order the syrup and the drink machines. And so with that, you have to create orders for any kind of parts or just regular orders. So you are that single point of contact for Coca-Cola for all parts and Coke catalog customers that are ordering. So you're responding to those phone calls and emails from the customers, documenting any order related issues that they have, and of course, any resolutions that you come up with for them. You're managing orders, you're managing returns, you're creating return shipping labels and managing those orders in the system to meet the customer needs, and of course resolving any issues that they have. So you're going to have to be doing research in the system, monitoring and following up on progresses of cases throughout the day. And of course, while you're doing this, you're just recommending any process improvements. Again, looking for those trends, any recommendations that you have. Now, they are looking for somebody who has strong customer service and problem solving skills. They want somebody who has knowledge of kind of order management or customer support processes and systems. Somebody who has great attention to detail. Now, it doesn't really say that you have to have a lot of experience, but they are looking for somebody who can do order entry, expedited orders, general parts information. So somebody who can basically do online research, do research in a computer, and type in a computer system. Now, pay for this position is anywhere from $60,200 a year up to $74,100 a year. And next up, another company that has a high employee satisfaction rating is Lending Tree. Now, Lending Tree does loans where you can kind of like apply for them, and they have different loan companies, finance companies that they work with, and they kind of send your application out to all these companies, and they kind of are a matchmaker in the finance world. They kind of match you with the companies or loans like suited for you and your situation. They have 362 reviews from past and current employees and overall rating of 4.1 out of 5 stars. They are looking for a call center representative to do appointment setting, again, remote or work from home. And specifically, what they're looking for is Quote Wizard is a tool or division of Lending Tree. And so they're looking to grow their warm transfer verification program. This means that you are going to be making outbound phone calls as well as taking inbound phone calls from customers who have already applied online to Lending Tree and received free insurance quotes. So this is not matching with loans, this is matching with insurance. Lending Tree does a lot of basically, like I said, matchmaking, and so basically, you are taking these phone calls from people who have already provided that they are interested, and you are trying to provide information to them on the best insurance policy suited for their needs. So, again, giving them the options that are best for them, the matchmaking that happens in Lending Tree's service. Now they're looking for somebody who has a high school diploma or GED and at least 2 to 3 years of some kind of customer service or sales experience. Somebody who has experience making outbound phone calls is preferred, not required though, as long as you're detail oriented, you have a good work ethic, and you're flexible. You can work different shifts. You do have to be tech savvy though in navigating around a computer or working around your own computer and kind of navigating any tech issues that you have on your own, because this role is 100% remote. Now, pay is $17 an hour, but they do give you a $500 sign on bonus if you stay for at least 30 days. So, after 30 days, you get an additional $500. And of course, you get a $100 monthly attendance bonus after 60 days. So, a total of $600 extra if you stay at least 2 months. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day, and I'll be back really soon with more work from home job leads just for you.